bàbá olóyin Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì táǹtọ́ lọ́rùn gbogbo ènìyàn tó bá fẹ́ lóyin òkìkí ọ̀dọ̀ Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì ní kí ẹ gbà lọ.
Good day, Fias. Here you meet me again today. I am Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì táǹtọ́ lọ́rùn bàbá olóyin kan bàbá olóyin original. I'm saying at Yesiota bàbá olóyin bus stop bàbá olóyin bus stop Yesiota. Don't forget I'm the publisher of all these books. African Power, Honey as a Medicine, Healing Power of Honey, Solution to Woman Problems. Some people are asking me, what is inside the books? When you buy these books, if you buy African Power book, you will see there's a root that can cure diabetes, rheumatism, arthritis is inside this book. Then if you are a man, you don't want to be taking capsule. The root you can be taking that will not give you any side effect is in African Power Part 1. This is only as a medicine. If you have fibroid, and this fibroid is not a very serious one. If your fibroid is multiple fibroid, don't worry yourself. Don't buy this one. But if it is a minor one, what you can do is inside this only as a medicine. If you have hatred in your body, the book for you is here. I taught you why you can use coconut water and honey. It's inside this book. It's one of the things that promoted this book, only as a medicine. If people don't like you, for nothing's sake, they hate you, buy honey as a medicine book. You will see what to do there. This is Healing Power of Honey. Healing Power of Honey. If you always have shortage of blood, you have staphylococcus. This is the book for you, Healing Power of Honey. This is Solution to Woman Problems. You have a sickle cell children. This is the book for you. This is the book for you. Yes, sickle cell. Then we have any other things there. You have a male, you want female. You want female, you want a male child. What you can do is in this book, Solution to Woman Problems. Don't forget African Power Part 2 will be out by the special grace of God. African Power Part 2 will be out in this November ending. November ending 2021. African Power Part 2. Some people are asking me, when will it be out? When will it be? By the special grace of God, you will see African Power Part 2. It will be in the market by month end, November ending 2021, by the special grace of God. Today, I want to teach you about cassava leaves. Cassava leaves. If you always have family problems in your family, maybe anytime they reach 50, they normally die. When they reach 45, they normally die. The history you have been hearing is that they don't reach age of 70 in your family. This is how you can do it. You can use cassava leaves. Èpè ìdílé, ègún ìdílé kìran gbàgùdá. Yes. If you have a farm, if cassava tree doesn't produce well in your own farm, if you give it to another person, it can give good proceed in another farm. If it's producing good proceed here, if you give it to another person, it may do the opposite the other side. When you cut the cassava stem like this, you give it to different people. They will give you different results about the harvesting, how it gives them good proceed. So we can use this thing on the fresh leaves of cassava leaves. The fresh cassava leaves on the one that is not yet ripe. How are you going to do it? How are you going to do it? I will tell you. You will get some quantity of this unripe fresh leaves of cassava leaves. You will cook it with. If you don't see alligator pepper, you can use just 7 pieces of alligator pepper. Grind this one with 7 seeds of alligator pepper. Just 7 seeds, small, 7 pieces of alligator pepper. Or if you have ata ijosin, grade 1 pepper. Some people can use yere. If you have grade 1 pepper, that small pepper, you can use it. It just takes 7 pieces. You will grind it with this one. Then you cook it with snail. You add palm oil. Palm oil. You prepare it as a gel. You eat it. Once in a month is alright. If you don't have time for every month, you can do it once in 3 months. If you do it, this one you always see money. You will always see money. Then if you have family causes, your sisters, they don't normally stay with one husband. Your brother, your brother, they don't get wife in their houses. Yes, we have some people like that. No matter how your sister gets good character, he will never get good husband to marry. If your brother is good, get money, they don't get wife in their house. A good delay. So this is what you will do. Don't forget you cook it, add pepper, add palm oil. If you see low cost bean, you add to it. Take it once in 3 months. It will serve that purpose by the special grace of God. You cook it, don't forget, you cook it with catfish or snail. If it's as a gel, you cook it with catfish or snail. Igbe, to cook it, to eat it. You cook it with it. You will boil the snail. When you boil it, you can cut it to 7 pieces if you like. You can cut it to any pieces you like. You use it to eat it. You will see money. Then it will prevent you from family causes. Epe delay, ogun delay. You get it for it. You solve the problem with it. This cassava leaves, we can also use it for pregnant women. That one, you will meet me in African Power Part 2. When you get pregnant, it's always coming down. When it is 3 months. Sometimes when you're pregnant, it's 4 months, it always come down. You use how to use cassava leaf for that one. Meet me in African Power Part 2. African Power Part 2. This is the same cassava leaf. If you want to travel on a long journey, if you put it in your pocket, you will not shit. You will not urinate. It will preserve your body from unnecessary excuse. Driver, I want to urinate. Driver, I want to shit. No. Once you put it in your pocket, it will serve that purpose. We used to put it in our body when we are very young. Especially those who want to go to exam hall. If you put it there, it is not during exam time you will say, I want to go to toilet. You want to go to toilet, invigilator will be suspecting you that maybe you want to go and spy. So we can use it for that one. How you can use it to get money, how to use it to reverse or to overcome family causes. I've told you. That's it. Don't forget African Power Part 2 is on the way. It will be out in November ending. It will be out by November ending by the special grace of God. The program you are watching today, Kenny Show, is on the screen. Kenny Show Television. My phone number is 0810 8431 336. It's on the screen. Please send your messages on WhatsApp only. Don't forget to watch my other channel, Baba Oloyin Original Television. Baba Oloyin Original Television. You can send your message on that one. You can call that one, the phone number of that one, which is 080 54 74 9455. Then don't forget to watch my son channel, Mr. Lashbone Comedy. Those of you that are subscribing to that channel, I thank you. The love you have for me, you show it to my son. You are subscribing and patronizing that channel, Mr. Lashbone Comedy. All your children will be successful in anything they are doing by the special grace of God. I do appreciate Papa Oloyin Original. I appreciate you. The person that sent camera to me, I do appreciate. those of you that are giving me money, oh, I always appreciate you. I appreciate the person that sent camera to me. I told some people on my other channel that they should help me thank the woman. If you see the person that are giving comment, God will bless you as you give Baba camera. Ẹ ṣé mo dúpẹ́ o. Ẹ ṣé mo dúpẹ́ o. Till next time when you meet me again, remain blessed.